So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. In this video guys, I would like to show to you how we clean the freshwater generator condenser. So this is the condenser side of the freshwater generator guys. As you can see, we clean it manually by brush ended rod. So we use the brush guys to clean properly the condenser tubes of the freshwater generator. So this is the shell and tube type freshwater generator guys that average 20 tons per day capacity. This is the rated capacity of this freshwater generator guys. So before carrying out, as usual guys, we need to comply all the checklist. We need to secure and follow the lockout and tagout procedure. So as you can see guys, this is the rod that has the brush at the end point of this rod, and we clean manually in order to properly clean the condenser tubes. So what is the frequency of cleaning of this guys? This is based on observation. So as we observe in this freshwater generator, the capacity has reduced. So this is the first suspicions for us that to clean the condenser. Just we recently cleaned the evaporator tubes, and then still the capacity is decreased. So as you can see guys, that's how we clean the condenser tubes of the freshwater generator. And this is the Sasakura type, shell and tube type, and this is the evaporating tubes. That's the evaporating tubes guys. So what is the purpose of this freshwater generator? So this is to convert the seawater into fresh water. Okay, so that's how we clean guys. The other way of cleaning of this is by chemical recirculation, by using the Discalix or any descaler chemical or soft acid to circulate the chemical that is carried by water and to recirculate in the system or at the whole system guys. All you need to do is to reverse the position of the protective anode, not to destroy or to damage the protective anodes, and to proceed with the cleaning. On the next video guys, I will show you the chemical cleaning of this freshwater generator. So we just completed with the cleaning guys. We just assembled and we will try out running. So I hope you like in this kind of video guys, and if you are interested with this kind of topic, please don't forget to hit me the like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. Stay safe everyone. This is JB23 vlog. Bye bye.